Well, I'm in the robotics program at Dunedin, and we do a lot of hands-on building and design and stuff like that. And I saw the internship opportunity here, and I thought that'd be some great experience to have for going into the engineering field, as well as just a nice job to have over the summer.
We like to give back to the students, the community, any chance we can in order to get younger people involved in manufacturing. A lot of times there's a shortage of manufacturing workers. So anything we can do to get students to actually come in and actually learn a skill that they otherwise wouldn't have learned, I think that's a good way to give back and help the younger workforce actually be promoted to want to get into the industry.
We learned how to read a part print and a traveler, how to use various tools in a manner that doesn't destroy the material you're working with. I think it'll be a great stepping stone for any other vocation I want that revolves around engineering in the STEM field. It's a really nice foundation for anything engineering college-wise.
So the win-win, I think it's a really good opportunity. A is the students get to actually learn some hands-on stuff and we teach them some skills, as well as we get a chance to, find an opportunity to possibly take some of these students while they're in school to be able to work for us as well. So we're teaching them something, they're helping us out as far as, getting stuff out the door. It's just great for everybody all the way around.